The SUTO leak management software is used to manage leak surveys of multiple clients, offering users a simple tool to create powerful leak reports with just a single click. It is designed to work seamless with the S531 Ultrasonic leak detector. The interactive and intuitive interface design are making LMS very easy to use. This video will demonstrate the setup and use of the software. After installation, double-click the LMS shortcut on your desktop to start the software. At the first start, you will need to register your LMS installation using the provided registration license. To fill out your registration, please click the License menu. Fill in the information and click on the Register button to complete your registration. One license key is included within the S531 leak detector set. If additional license keys are needed, please contact our sales. We are also offering a 30-day trial with full functionality. In order to continue using the software, you need to register it after the 30 days. After successful registration, the software is ready to be set up. To create powerful reports containing your own brand logo and company details, you need to fill in your company details first. Please navigate to the Service Company menu. Simply fill out the form, upload your logo, and click the Save button. These information will from now on be printed into your reports. To start creating reports from your leak survey projects, you can easily import a project directly from the S531. Therefore, please select and export the projects from your S531 to the USB drive included. On the S531, navigate to the Projects folder and click on the Export button. The project files are then exported to the USB drive. Insert the USB drive to your PC, and now you are ready to import the files into LMS. Now, simply click on the Project menu tab and select Import Project. A pop-up window will appear. Navigate to the USB drive and select the desired project folder. After selecting the folder, press OK to import all project files to LMS. This will import all leak data, including the on-site pictures and voice memos. After your project has been imported to LMS, you can now open the project to prepare the reports. Select your project in the Project menu tab and click on Open Project. This will now open the project within LMS. The project info details are shown on the screen. Simply edit or add information if needed. The cost per 1,000 cubic meters, currency unit, and the operating hours per year are used to calculate the leak losses and estimated costs. You can also change flow or pressure units within LMS by a simple click. LMS will then automatically convert all units and estimations accordingly. Right below the project info, a summary is shown. The total number of leaks, the total estimated losses, the estimated leak costs, as well as the start and end time of the project are shown in a single glance. Scrolling down to the customer info, this section allows you to enter your customer's company details, which are later shown in the reports. Simply enter the information and press Save. This information is then saved to this particular project. By scrolling further down, you will then find a list of all recorded leaks within this project, which have been recorded on the S531. To create meaningful reports for your clients, LMS allows you to add or edit additional information per leak record. You can play your voice memos if you have recorded additional information on site. For the most meaningful reports, you are able to enter additional information as a location description, a group name, and even add free text notes, for example, repair instructions or other findings. The group name can be used to create leak reports by group within the leak report. For example, all leaks per production line or all leaks at specific components of a compressed air system. Each leak entry shows the calculated losses and loss rates. Once the modifications are done, click on the Save button to save the changes to the particular leak. This offers operators a simple overview of all the data which will be printed to the leak report later. Finally, we are now ready to create the leak report. To do so, please make sure all leaks to be printed are selected by having a check mark. If leaks shall not be included within the report, simply uncheck them. This can be useful to filter out leak entries. Navigate to the top and click the Generate PDF button to create the leak report. The report contains the project information, your company details and log, your customers' details, as well as all recorded leaks, pictures, and statistical information about the survey. Using the S531 leak detector together with the SUTO leak management software makes it much easier to create powerful reports on the fly. You do not need to manually create reports, sort leaks, or pictures. All information is stored safely on your local PC, and reports can be created at a single click. Thanks for watching. SUTO iTech. Be smart. Measure it.